So I wanted to show you what you could actually get in this swag pack that I got. Now I got 3 boxes. Obviously there's some guns. I did not get any rifles. The boxes are way too small for that. I could have gotten this pistol. One of the boxes is heavier. Could be a pistol. Not sure. There's an open box gas here. These are all rifles and snipers. I could have also gotten a bunch of the springers. I think they have 4 or 5 springers up, and let's see here. This one is probably the best one of the springers. Colt 1911. I think it's around 25 bucks. So you scroll down. I could have also gotten the submachine gun. Most likely I've gotten these though. There's 50 winners for the fidget spinner. There's 200 winners for the storage box and those little poppers. Poppers, mag, and a foam target. Another springer, pen, multi-tool there, patch. They all come with patches. Camouflage, another springer, poppers. And then there's this 113 here, 200 winners for this. This is the worst one, I feel. It's like a $5 gun and a patch. That's all you get. So it's $10 for the pack. I paid, let's just say, 16 bucks to have it shipped total to me. So I guess we'll see exactly what I got. Hello and welcome to Swords Play. I have 3 boxes of Evike's Wave 22 swag packs. I also have a bonus package from Airsoftgi. It was $1 for the package. I think it was like $5.25 to be shipped to my house. Could have won. There were 2 guns up, and then they offered like patches and accessories and stuff like that as well. So basically $5.25 for the whole package. Evike's boxes are $10 plus shipping. I think it was, might as well just say it was 16 bucks for each of those packages. 2 of the packages are severely light, so I'm guessing I got one of the lower end stuff, maybe a springer or something. This one's a little heavier. I am not sure what could be in that. They do have gas blowback pistols and like an SMG that's up that could go for the weight, unless it's just a heavy springer. I don't know. But we're going to get into this here, and I am going to open these boxes, obviously, and see what's inside so you guys can take a look. So you guys can take a look and see for yourself. And, of course, my dog is getting into the shot. Boomer, get away. Come here. Come here. Okay, so we're going to start with Airsoft GI package first. Make sure I was still on the camera. Boomer, you're going to get cut. You don't want to cut. You don't want to cut that thing. Alright. So, well, alright, there we go. Okay, so I got an accessory. Classic Army. Obviously, it's a mag. It looks like a pistol mag holder. So, that's pretty cool. So, obviously, I only paid for $1 for this, so you can't complain. And I'll put that down to the side, and a patch. They all came with patches. Classic Army. I don't use my Classic Army anymore, but that's cool still. And just make sure this isn't my information. It is not. Okay. Cool beans. So that was that. I basically just got a Boomer. Seriously? Basically just got a patch and a mag holder there. Alright, we're going to start with this smallest one here. Get this sucker cut open. This is the actual Evike packages here. Now let's see what this small one holds. Alright. There's a lot of stuff in there. Information out of there, out of the way. And that is just paper. Lovely, lovely paper. Make sure I'll move this over a bit. Make sure I am still in the shot. So we got this is really small. I thought it would be bigger. Very tiny target. Probably about 3 inches tall. Little foam target there. This is a little plinker. Let's say on there. It's just their logo there, their email. Alright, and then we got this patch. Okay, it looks like Boba Fett. That's cool. Alright, and then we got this. This is, oh, okay, this is the actual M4 mag, which is cool. I always use another mag, especially mid caps, because that's what I use. Alright, so that's that one. That's not bad. $10. Let's open this one next. Alright, just checking to make sure that the camera is still recording. Don't want to have any problems. Get information out of there quick. Oh, looks like we got just the same thing. Another foam target. Another exactly same blinker, popper, whatever you call them. Another M4 mag. Again, I could use it. These aren't super cheap. I mean, with the hex thing here, hex mags, I'm pretty sure these are fairly decent price there for the mid caps. And then another patch here. Let's see. Oh, Mario. Awesome. See what the patches I'm getting. That's pretty cool. Neat patch. Alright, so here is the last one, the heaviest one. Hoping for something good, if not, oh well. Dun dun dun. Whoosh! Information. Ouch! Well, heck, it's only one thing in here. Boom! Ah! Oh, we got, looks like a Hulk. Getting all the cool ones. And I got a open box SMG. Oh yeah, that's a lot better than I was hoping for. Okay. Nice. Alright. What else does it come with? It comes with a battery, a charger. Can't complain about that. Special battery for it. And it looks like one mag. Well, ain't that something? Cool. It's got a hop up right there. You can see the hop ups in there. A nice little backup gun. It's fairly heavy. Not top heavy though, but it's fairly heavy. Alright, so awesome. So yeah, I mean it's got some good weight to it. It's got a hop up on it. I mean, for $35, I'm pretty sure this is more than 35. Basically, what, $48 or so on all three boxes. Got two M4 mags, a couple cool patches, some plinkers or poppers or whatever the fuck you call them. I mean, whatever the heck you call them. And a couple foam targets. This gun here is actually a $160 gun. Now this is an open box, so it means it came back or something was wrong with it or whatever. But hopefully nothing's really wrong with it. Looks a little banged up in the mag. That's understandable. But anyways, I think it's a pretty good deal. Let me know what you think. So basically, this is all the stuff I got. I got 3 patches, 2 M4 mags. I looked up the mags. Those are $10 each. With all this stuff, I mean, that's a $160 gun, but it is used or returned or whatever for its open box. But it does work because they verify everything. They got someone in here who signed their name and all that. So, I mean, overall, it's close to, you know, it's $200+ worth of stuff for $48 or whatever I paid for it. This time was definitely worth it. So I'm extremely happy with what I got. It's pretty cool. I can't wait to run around with that as a sidearm.